Iron is an important mineral that plays a vital role in not only keeping us healthy, but also with proper growth and body maintenance. This trace mineral is found in the cells throughout our body, so it is important that we are getting enough of it each and every day. As well, the mineral iron is an important component of both hemoglobin and myoglobin, two proteins which carry oxygen to bodily tissues and hold oxygen in muscle cells. Unfortunately, there are many people who are deficient in iron, which can lead to health complications. This includes weakness, fatigue, different skin ailments, and brittleness of the nails. Fortunately, there are foods we can consume that are high in iron that can ward off deficiency and anemia. As well, a diet that is balanced in iron consumption can help to improve muscle function, increase brain function, eliminate fatigue, and boost immunity, among others. Let's discuss some high iron foods you can consume. First, spinach is loaded with iron, among other essential nutrients. Just 1 cup of cooked spinach provides almost 6.5 milligrams of iron, which is equal to about 36% of the daily recommended value of iron. Black beans are also very high in iron content. 1 cup of these beans contains almost 4 milligrams of iron. This is the equivalent of about 20% of the daily recommended value of iron. Not only that, but they are packed with other nutrients, protein, and dietary fiber. One of the best sources of iron is spirulina. This blue-green algae is well known for its incredibly high iron content, among many other nutrients. In just a 1 ounce serving of spirulina, you get close to 45% of the daily recommended value of iron. That is an incredible amount in just a 1 ounce serving. Due to its strong taste, you may want to start with adding about 1 teaspoon to your favorite smoothie recipe. Lentils are another great choice when it comes to adding iron to your diet. A 1 cup serving contains roughly 6.5 milligrams of iron, or 20% of the daily recommended value. They also contain many other different nutrients and can be added to a number of recipes or consumed on their own. Pistachios are a nutrient-dense nut that are packed with healthy vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients. This is why it is no surprise that they are also a great source of iron. They have one of the highest amounts of iron content when compared to other nuts, with just 1 ounce containing about 1 milligram of iron, or 6% of the daily recommended serving. Eggs are also quite high in iron content. Eating eggs consistently can help to increase iron intake and decrease the risk of iron deficiency. 2 large eggs contain about 1.8 milligrams of iron, while also providing healthy fats and other important nutrients. Lastly, if you eat meat, beef is another amazing source of iron. Just 1 200-gram serving of beef contains about 20% of your daily recommended iron supply. As well, it contains many other nutrients and antioxidants. When choosing beef, try to consume grass-fed varieties, as these tend to have higher nutrient content. Discuss with your medical practitioner how much iron you should be getting per day, or any iron deficiency symptoms you may be experiencing. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.